Let's take a closer look at the new Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. Porsche focused on three things: better performance, lower cost, and easier handling for the teams. The 911 GT3 Cup is a combination of road car with race tech and is produced on the same production line as road cars. It's Porsche's entry level to motorsport together with their 718 GT4 RS. To make this Cup car even better, they listened to their customers and improved lots of little details. First of all, they adjusted to the 992.2 design, and the front splitter consists of 3 parts now. That way, teams only need to replace the part which is broken and not the whole thing, which reduces costs and is easier for teams to pack in their race trucks. They removed the daylight running lights of the road car because it often damaged the radiator behind it in a crash. Now it's gone, it cannot break anymore, and it cannot damage other parts. The front fenders have louvers now for more front downforce and to provide a stable front axle to better position the car before a corner. The swan neck rear wing mounting is optimized for easier adjustment. And the Cup car has a new engine cover because some things changed underneath. They are still using the 4-liter engine with now 420 horsepower, but the running limit stayed the same. So a full engine rebuild is still only necessary after 100 race hours, although the power increased. The engine now has 6 individual throttle bodies for better response, and because the one large throttle body is gone, now there is space for a restrictor. That's required for some race series. They also use different camshafts with more valve opening. Porsche offers 3 different exhaust systems depending on the noise limit of the track. And the new version has a 4-plate sinter clutch, so they could increase the RPM limit for a standing start to 6,500 RPM. The Porsche has an automatic restart function, so if you stall the engine, it restarts when you press the clutch. And if you stalled, the brake lights are flashing to warn your competitors. All body panels are made from recycled carbon with bioresin. That keeps weight and costs for spare parts down. Another area Porsche increased a lot are the front brakes. They removed the center radiator from the front and put it in the back. So they use the center intake at the front for brake cooling now, while keeping the standard road car cooling in the sides. The brakes are now 380 mm in diameter and 3 mm thicker than before for bigger internal cooling channels. They also reduced the diameter of the center section to have more friction surface. So brakes are more durable for endurance racing and have better performance. The Cup Porsche now has a bigger brake fluid reservoir to deal with problems and a warning if there is a leak in one of the 2 circuits. They increased the steering angle for tight courses, and inside they reduced the number of buttons. Lots of adjustments can now be done directly inside the car instead of connecting a laptop, which will make it easier for teams. They added foam to protect the driver's legs, and the tire pressure sensors can now also display temperatures. So all in all, lots of little details are improved on the new Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. Porsche listened to their customers and used their huge experience to make this an even better car for races around the world. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and check out my other videos for more.